He's playing with your thing.
Yeah. I did it.
You guys making, you make,
He's diddling my thing.
good Lord. Nice lid.
Sweet fits, boys.
What's really going on?
Merry Christmas.
New front brakes. Back ones are just rusted on, so.
New front brakes? Just the pads.
What are you doing?
But if I'm
Because that's overdrive.
if I'm
So you're like spinning faster than the engine at that point.
Because yeah, it does when the RPMs drop a little bit before it shifts. It does pick up speed when the like. So it's almost like another gear. It feels like, but it's only in fourth.
Fucking oh,
That's lice now. Lice.
oh yeah.
It's just falling out of you.
At least you're getting used out of that table, dude.
Wait on underneath.
I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Fits good.
Fires right up, boys. Startle the shit out of them. What's really going on?
Fired right up.
There's a light?
Probably. It's a GM, so it probably does.
Probably. Apologize.
Oh, can you get it? That's the kind.
Yeah. Hydrocarbons. Should we take some pictures? 92 GMC box, or what is it? Oh, I apologize. Mom Stokovich. Yeah, we'll just sell that for crawdad there. In accordance, probably. Well, Santy left, but I'm going to show you something here, boys. Now, I don't want you to be messaging me, telling me, oh my goodness, I need you to work on my truck, bug one, and stuff. You know what I mean? So this is a craft. This is art. Not everybody can. Oh shit! Can't even work a light right. Not everybody can do custom work like this, boys. So, and I got enough stuff to do. I got a whole bunch of projects that I'm just not getting done. So I don't have time to work on your rig, boys. I apologize. I'd love to spread my craft across the nation, but yeah, there just isn't enough hours in the day, boys. So we got that side done. I just got to put some poop and schmam onto it and slather some paint on there, and then hopefully the rain frigs off at some point tomorrow. I mean, if you're a duck, great. You know, if you're a mallard, that's fantastic. But yeah, for any other purposes, it's not good. I mean, at least it's not snowing. Hey, we're almost into the Neward, and we only got a little dusting, a little bit of just a warning spell. Yeah, I got these stupid things. They just rot right off, and then your friggin' airbag, no worky. But I tested the polarities on this guy, the ohms, and yeah, they're both the same. The one looks good, that one looks crusty. I don't know. I ordered new ones, but they're not going to be here for a couple weeks. So hopefully we just get that solved. You know what I mean? But anyways, can you saw it? All this needs to be filled on both sides. Well, I did the other side. I mean, both sides of the arch there. I did the middle, and then we'll do the bendy part. So I just make pieces like this, put some poop on there, and then weld it all the way around, and then the poop will just hold it onto the seam because I've already, of course, painted it, right? So you can do welding or painted. So yeah, fun, really bad, like really bad. But yeah, no matter how many tip tops you watch, it doesn't do itself. So I got to do this, and then it'll be tomorrow, and then we can undercoat it and different things, and probably give it A little bit of a bath maybe, it'll be awesome. But you gotta remember too that you guys don't know very much stuff about trucks. So it's own customs. Okay? It's own customs, boys. Don't be mad. I'm just telling you. Well, maybe one day if you try real hard, you know, it's not the end all be all for fuck's sakes. But I mean, you're gonna have to put some real good efforts into it to be able to do custom work like this, boys. Apologize to break the news to you, but you don't get 30 years experience overnight. Let's just put it that way. Okay? Okay? It was fun when we were doing the 83, because the 83 is awesome. You know what I mean? Remember we did the 83? It was like non-stop friggin' metalwork specialist. But then, like something like this, it's just not as enthusiastic about it. We're just trying to get her on the road so as we can drive something forthwith. I mean, it will be handy to have a truck with a long box and friggin', you know, just utilization, that component of the rig, but just to getting around, pick stuff up. Like right now, even if I got to go get a little something, I got to bring a trailer because I got nowhere to put nothing in the back, or the Grumman, but you know, I don't want to drive the Grumman in the what do you think that is in the wintertime? What do you suppose that could possibly be? The hobo, remember that dirty bastard, carrot sucking bastard? It was just in the thing of dried up Bondo, so I don't know, boys. I was gonna smoke it. Didn't see if it was a good tilt or not, but it's probably not the best of ideas. But yeah, thank fuck, boys. If the rain frigs off tomorrow, we'll give her a friggin' undercurtain, but like, oh man, I wish I could show you. We are like that deep, you know, because you can't, you know, you gotta go over top. There's only that much room, underneath. So over here, I mean, there's just absolutely chunks of friggin' truck jammed in there. So I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. I was gonna cut a big hole in the frame, get that out and weld it back in, but holy dude, you know what I mean? I don't like that. Like that one bit. It'd be wholesome if they put a big enough hole in there to get a vacuum in or something, but anyways, just poop this other side there, and then I'm gonna quit. I'll slather some paint onto her in the morning. Hopefully my good paint's not dried out yet. Oh yeah, there's still some flexibility left in there. We'll be able to get the last of her out, boys. Right, eh? Well, there she is, boys. Tell me you're beknownst to Weisner. I tried to tell you, you don't listen. You me same. You don't listen. It's because you're always picking your cock and ass, and then picking your ear, and then your ear's full of shit and cum. Can't hear fuck all. That's what happened to me anyway. But yeah, shuck the tires on her. We'll haul her outside. Get her an undercurtain. She's gonna rain, so I gotta kind of hurry the frig up. Don't want to give it a drink of the waters. Too terrible. We'll, I don't know, pull it out, give it a little foof. Quick. We'll get the air compressor going. So that's done. And then, yeah, undercurd it, give it a little foof. Take her for safety tomorrow. I might wait till Monday, because what if he's got to keep it for a couple days and then doesn't get back on it till Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday or something. We'll bring him Monday. I don't know. We'll figure it out. all the rims is, boys. Silverado done. Got it all undercurted and everything, but the rain was a coming and this and that, so I never ended up, you know, producing a film about the undercurtain. But you can see the frame looks, paint loads better now. I'll get you a light here, and we'll have a good Santis, because it's looking pretty slick, if you know what I'm saying. A little bit of a pun intended. So with all the poop and goop on there, that adds metal, eh? That adds metal, boys. That makes metal that wasn't there now. You know what I mean? So that's cool. Get her all friggin' dosed up there. A little dosey-do, if you will. But yeah, when it's wet, and if you're just kind of like scoodly-doo, you know what I mean? You can barely even tell. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe in the springtime, if it, I mean, it'll fall out this winter. Maybe the undercurtain will save it a little bit, but once you weld on the panel and stuff, I mean, she's dicked. And it's not like I removed all the rust. I removed the minimum amount required to make it, you know, still weldable. But yeah, for on the cheap, I mean, this is the cheapest rig I got by far, even cheaper than Tiffany's car, for freak's sakes. And it's also the Spasis. But yeah, I got her all ready for the safety inspection tomorrow. New brakes, new sway bar end link. Forgot to tell you about that. It was just like sitting in the hole, pulling one of those. So it's on this side. I'd shant you, but I don't think you'll be able to saw it. Nope, not a chance. Let's see if we haven't got any friggin' earls. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Decent. See if we even got any earls on this unit. You know what I mean? Little bit. A little bit. So that's good. It's the preservation, boys. Preservation tech. One last thing before we go here. I'll show you something here quick. Checked out a bunch of bitches and different things on the what's it about my four-wheel drive. But see, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's running or not, but it doesn't matter what you switch in. There's no blinking, there's no light change of any kind. It just stays there. No code, nothing. So I don't want to just fire the parts cannon onto it, because it's got a mafculator on the front axle, a mafculator on the transfer case. It's got some sort of a friggin' transfer case control module. And this will just stay on forever if you don't shut it off. So that's cool. But yeah, other than that, if anybody knows what's really going on in accordance, I spec'd it. But anyways, okay, I go.